Hello everyone. We're gonna continue for our class Binomial Theorem. Today we're gonna learn the binomial expansion of the form 1 plus b power n and a plus b power n. But I will explain only this one because this and this can use together. So once you know this, that cover this one already. So we're gonna straight on this one formula. But before that, I want to review what the previous class we learned for the Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle is the last lesson, correct? So we review one more time for the Pascal triangle. Okay. So the Pascal triangle, if we like as the only the according the coefficients, okay, and we start from the 0 row, okay, 0 row, the first one what we have, everyone still remember, we start from 1, right? And then first row gonna be 1 1, and second row you just become the first one, you're gonna be 1 all the time, right? And then this 1 plus 1 become 2, and 1 carried down. And if third row, again we carry 1 down, and 1 plus 2 become 3, 2 plus 1 become 3, and next one gonna be 1. And fourth row gonna be 1 plus 3 become 4, 3 plus 3 become 6, 3 plus 1 become 4, and 1 carry down. Go on, maybe up to 5th row, okay, or 6th row. And then this one 1, this one 1 plus 4 become 5, 4 plus 6 become 10, 6 plus 4 become 10, 4 plus 1 become 5, and then 1, and go on, maybe do up to 6th row. So become 1 again, and then 1 plus 5 becomes 6, 5 plus 10 become 15, 10 become 20, and 10 plus 5 become 15, 5 plus 1 becomes 6, and then 1. And then you can keep do up to n row. Okay, this will like only the coefficient of the Pascal triangle. But if next one, if we gonna like the write down according the algebra, right? So this one, the first 0 row, we start with x plus y, right? Power 0. And the first row gonna be x plus 1, x plus y power 1. See the power, if 0, that's 0 row. If power 1 is the first row. Then next gonna be power 2, that means second row. X plus y power 2. And next gonna be x plus y power 3. And fourth gonna be x plus y power 4. And fifth also become power 5. And next gonna be x plus y power 6, and so on. Okay, so from this one, x plus y, any base power 0, always 1, right? So we write 1 here. Write 1 it down. 1. And then this one is what? X plus y power 1 come out with become x plus y. And x plus 2 power 2, you remember the formula you learned, gonna be x power 2 plus 2x, right? Plus y squared power 2. But when power 3, see, if you still remember formula, we learned this one. Otherwise, you according the pattern here, you're gonna have x power 3 right now, this one, okay? The third row, gonna x power 3, then plus x power 2, right? then this one gonna be y power 1. So this one become y power 0, x power 2, y power 1, and then plus x power 3, y power 2, plus x power 4, y power 3, plus that's all correct. Okay, so from this x power 3, x power 2 should, if x power 3 should have 4 terms, so x power 3, x power 2, x power, this one should x power 1. Can I change here? So x power 4, x power 3, and then this one gonna x, and then y power 0 power 1 power 2, and next gonna be x power 0, y power 3. Okay, you see in order x power 3, power 2, power 1, power 0, y power 3, power 2, power 1, power 0. Okay, and then x power 4, everyone can guess what's gonna be x power 4 plus x power 4 plus x power 3. This is a y power 0, right? So become y power 1 plus x power 2, y power 2, and then plus x y power 3 plus x power 0, y power 4. Okay, power 4 should have 5 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X, y power 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. X 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so then you can go on for power 5. Then for the coefficients, you see, we can fill in, correct? Like a 1, still 1 here. But this 1 mean we can fill here 1. And then this one also 1, fill the coefficients. This one fill in here the font. And this 2, you can see equal to 2. That's we know from the formula, you fill in 2. And this 1 get to this term. This term power 3, so first 1, so you fill the coefficient here. And this one gonna be 3. And this one 3 gonna be here. And last 1 gonna be here. And so on, power 4, this one gonna be here. And this gonna be 4. And then 6, 4, 1. Okay, and then so on. Now this we like in algebra pattern of the Pascal triangle, because we're gonna have the unknown x, y. But this one we like only the coefficients number. Coefficient number in this two now. Next we can like with by using the combinations, right? Combination pattern which is we learned before, correct? Okay, so then you can see if from the 1 is a 1, so we don't need to lie, but so we're gonna for the coefficient, I mean for the combination, we're gonna start from the first row. We're gonna start from the first row here. So we write down become the first row. We start with the write down here 1, 1, 1C0, 1C1, correct? And then next gonna be the second row here, the second row here. Okay, second row here gonna be, because second row, so you start from 2C0, 2C1, 2C2, and the third row here gonna be, because third row, so you start from 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, and 3C3. Now we try one more, fourth row, so become start with 4, 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, and 4C3, and last one gonna be 4C4. And then you can observe 1C0, 2C0, 3C0, 4C0, all this one, right, is when you use calculator or you use a formula of combination, all of this one equal to 1. 1, 1, 1. So same as this one, 1, 1, 1, 1 for the first term, right? So you can see this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And the last one, you see this one, 1, 1, 1, and this one, 1, 1, 1, the last term. Also, the combination pattern, 1C1 equal to 1, 2C2 equal to 1, 3C1 equal to 1, 4C4 is equal to 1, so become 1, 1, 1, the same thing. So you can write any pattern. This is the coefficients for Pascal triangle. This lie in the algebra form with the variable x, y, or a, b. And this lie in the combinations form. Okay, that's all the same meaning. Then, if you remember, if the question I let you do practice a question, they say, if question say find, I write down here, find the coefficient, find the binomial coefficient of these, say, maybe say 5, right? 5, 4, 5, 4. Okay, so we can write in this way, correct? Or we can write in this pattern 5, C, 4. Or we can write down 5, C, 4. All this is the same meaning, right? So 5 means the row. That means fifth row. 4 is talk about the fourth term. The fourth term. By using Pascal equation, say from your homework, equation say find the binomial coefficients by using Pascal. Then you have to go the fifth row. This is a Pascal coefficient. So you go to the fifth row, that means this one. And then you leave for the fourth term. But fourth term in this case, when you leave from Pascal triangle, you have to count from here as a first term. This one as a first term, not from here. Not from here, okay? You count from this a first term. Because this one becomes 1C0, 1C0, 2C0, 3C0. We don't count this. We count this one as a first term. So you can count from here first term. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer gonna be 5. So this one answer equal to 5. Okay, the coefficient of the fifth term, the fifth row of the fourth term. And then you can check if you use by calculation, right? From the use of formula, this one become 5 factorial over 5 minus 4 become 1 factorial times 4 factorial, right? So become 5 times 4 factorial, correct? Over 1 factorial, say 1, and 4 factorial, then you cut, you left 5. So this can confirm this one correct. Okay, again, when you want to find coefficients of the binomial coefficient by using Pascal triangle, you must count from this one as a first term, not this one. If like everything like a sixth row, right? You count this as first term, not from there, not one. Okay, this is a previous work you do about the Pascal triangle. From this lesson now, from the Pascal triangle, then the mathematicians can write it down, give the formula, right? Get from the idea of this one to write the formula of this one, formula of this and this. But actually, these two are same. Once you understand how to use this one is a part of them already. So we learn only this pattern is enough for this one. We learn on this pattern, a plus b, the whole thing, power n. Okay, so then the formula of this a plus b power n equal to, I will write the formula down. Okay, the formula of the binomial theorem by expansion of this one gonna be, I write down a plus b power n, right? So equal to n c 0, okay, start from 0, and then a, like this, nc0 and then a power n minus 0. Get from here n minus 0. And next one gonna be b power 0 from here 0. So one is nc0, next one should be nc1. 0 and next should be 1. And then this use the same idea. A, then use n minus 1. B power 0, this one gonna be power 1 here. A1C little by little, okay, step by step with the order pattern, not hard. So this NC1 now, next gonna be NC2. NC2. And then A use the same thing, n minus 2, power the index. And then B power get from here 2. Next, gonna be NC3, continue, and A become n minus 3. N minus 3, and then B power 3 plus continue NC4, and this one gonna be A n minus 4 and B power 4, and keep doing up to n term. So plus to the n term gonna be n c n A n minus n times B power n. So this is a formula of binomial theorem, or the formula of the binomial expansions. Okay, this is a formula. You use only this, you can use all kind of binomial, all kind of equation. Okay, so we gonna learn how to use it. Okay, maybe I give you some example. Say maybe you example down here. We use the example, maybe it's purple. Okay, so example. Just say use the binomial theory to expand this one. Okay. Use the binomial theorem to expand this one. For example, 1 plus 2x power, maybe say power 5. Okay, if power 5 must have 6 terms. If power 4 have 5 terms, if power 6 have 7 terms, if power 8 have 9 terms, you're gonna have one more term. You can observe, see, if power 2 in general we have here, right? We know gonna be what? 3 terms. If power 3 gonna have 4 terms. Power 4 gonna have 5 terms. Okay, that's the idea. So now we expand by using this formula. Now from this one, 1 plus 2x power 5. See from the formula, right now A equal to 1. Okay, we write down. A equal to 1 now. B equal to 2x. B equal to 2x. And then N equal to 5. From this one, we can write down now. Okay. So now from this one, we have 1 plus 2x power 5. Gonna be equal to N is a 5, right? So you write 5, C 0, A is 1, so you write 1. Power 5 minus 0. B is 2x power 0 plus this term now, okay? Second term. So become N is a 5, C 1. 1 is 5 minus 1. And then this one 2x power 1. Third term, go to the next one, this one. Become 5, C 2, 1. 5 minus 2. I like step by step first, but next example may not lie in this one. It may not need to lie step by step in this way. So this is going to be 2x power 2 and plus next one going to be 5 C 3 and then 1 become 5 minus 3 This one gonna be 2x power 3. Do up until 6, until to the power 5, okay? And then this one gonna be 5, C, 4, C, 0, 1, 2, 3, then this one 4. And then this one become 5 minus 4. This one with minus 4, okay? This one gonna be 2x power 4. And last term gonna be 5, C, 5, 1 power 5 minus 5. And then 2x power 5. Power 5. Okay. This one power 5. Okay, now we simplify. So 5C0 is 5C0 is 1. Right? So you have 1, but 1 power anything still 1. And this one 2x power 0 still 1. Okay, so this equal 1, the first term. Because you can observe 1 power 5C1 there. Now 5C plus 5C1 is 5. 1 power anything still 1. And then this one 2x. Plus this one. Then you can use calculator now. You can find 5C2. Right? Next one 5C2. 5C2 equal to 10. So 10, again, this is a 1 power, anything still 1, right? And then this one, don't forget, this one really important here again. Here, don't forget this one. This one mean 2 power 2, x power 2, don't forget. So come out should be, this one should be 4, x power 2, okay? This is exponent formula, okay? Now next one. Find the 5C3. 5C3 equal to 10. So you can plus 10. 1 power anything still 1. And 2x again, this one don't forget, 2x. 2x should be what? This one have to be equal to 2 power 3 times x power 3. Eh? So become 8x power 3. Plus, you can use calculator. 5C4, right? 5C4 equal to 5. And then this one again, okay? Because base 1. And then this one, don't forget, gonna be 2 power 4 becomes 16, right? And x power 4. Plus 5C5 is 1 times 1. This one, 1 power 0 still 1. And then the last one, don't forget this one. Become 2 power 5, become 32 x power 5. This time, okay? Time. So final you simplify it. This one gonna be 1 plus 5 times 2 become 10x. This one become what? 4, 10, 40 x squared. And this term, right? This term. Next, this term gonna be 80 x cubed. And this term 16 times 5 become 80 x power 4. And last term gonna be 1 times 1 times 32 become 32 x cubed. Sorry, x fifth. So that's a final answer. Okay, so this is the expansion of this expression 1 plus 2x power 5. So because power 5, you must have 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the equation say expand up to third term. You just work up to this term is enough. For example, question say expand this expression up to the third term. So you don't need to expand up to 6th term. You answer only this. You answer this one, right? Like down like this. You just work like this. 1 plus 10x plus 40 40x squared, and then plus dot dot dot. If question say expand this one to the need only the first three terms. Need only the first three terms. So you work up to the first three terms. This one is enough. Everyone get? Okay, so you may not need to expand, but if question say nothing, like at the beginning we work, so you have to expand up to power 5, then we're gonna have 6 terms. But if the specific need only the first 3 terms, first 4 terms, you just stop at the fourth term, for example. Okay. Okay, this one example of the binomial expansion by use this formula. Okay, now I give you more example. It come with a negative sign. Okay, it come with a negative sign. For next one. Next example, say if when you expand this one, okay, like 1 minus b power 5. For example, power 5 again. Okay, so then we write the formula. Maybe we write formula one more time so you can compare it. Okay, so again, formula is a plus b power n equal to nc0 a n minus 0 b0 plus nc1 a n minus 1 b1 plus nc2 a n minus 2 b power 2 plus nc3 a power n minus 3 b power 3 plus nc4 a n minus 4 b power 4 plus until the last term n c n a n minus n b power n. Okay, now we start to do the example. Okay, so we expand this one again. For this 1 minus b, the whole thing power 5, you see, because the formula come with the plus sign, you see that? But now we have negative sign. So in this case, we can write it down like a formula pattern, right? You can write it down, become 1 plus, because we need plus sign there. So this one going to be minus b. And then the whole thing, power 5. Same, correct? Did not change any value. Now you start to expand. From here, we can say, right now, n is equal to 5, right? And then this one like a, okay? So a equal to 1 now. And then b equal to negative b. Okay. So this can use like a x, y, can same thing. Is this one x, this a y, right? So y equal to negative b, like that. Okay, so now we start use the formula. From this one, n is 5, c 0, then now a is a 1. So become 5 minus 0. b is a negative b, power 0, plus 5 c1, a c1, okay? Become 5 minus 1. b, then now become minus b, power 1. Plus, then now we do up to this term, okay? So become 5 c2, a is 1. So 5 minus 2. And then b is a negative, power 2. Plus, this one, power 2 now going to be 5c3, right? So this one going to be 1. 5 minus 3, like that, become here, 5 minus 3. So b minus b power 3. Okay. So you keep doing until Okay, do undefinite. So 5 C4. This one 1. 5 minus 4. Then minus B power 4. And then the last term going to be 5 C5. 1 power 5 minus 5. And then minus B power 5. So then 5C0 is a 1 again, and 1 power 0 C1. So this B power 0 C1. So the first term is a 1. Observe, it's a 1, right? So power 5 should be 1. And second term here, 5C1 is a 5. This one is a 1 again, and this one minus, right? So should be negative 5B. So this one have to change. Let's here. Okay, so this one should be minus. Don't forget this one should be minus. Why? Because this is a negative. Negative time this is a plus. Okay. Negative time plus come out become negative 5B. Now we go next one. 5C2 you can use calculator. 5C2 is 10, right? 5C2. Right now we work on up here, okay? This one. So become 10. And this is a 1 again. But then this is a negative B power 2. Even number become plus, right? So you have B power 2. This one. Because this is a power even number, the size come out to be plus. So we have plus B squared. And next, 5C, you use calculator. 5C3 is 10 also. So you have 10 here. 1 power 5 minus 1 power 2 C1. But this one, you see this, maybe use different color here. Because this one power odd. Also, this one should be minus, correct? Minus and the plus here. So minus and plus. So this one should be minus sign. Okay, so this plus minus should be minus sign. Should be 5B power 3. Okay. Then next term, this one. Right now, this term, okay, we were on here. So become, you can observe the sign first, right? Because it's a minus B power 4 even number, even index. So come with the plus sign, plus time plus come out plus. Then you use the calculator. 5C4 gonna be 5. 5 times this one is a 1. Time then this is gonna be B power 4. Plus now the last term here. 5C5 is a 1. 1 power 0 here still 1. So 1 times 1 say 1 and time this one, this is a negative. So become negative. This one should be negative. This one should be negative. B power 5. Okay, the last term gonna be minus B power 5. So now is the final answer. Okay, again, this equation say expand this one, this expression 1 minus B, the whole thing power 5. You have to work up to 6 terms. Power 5 must have 6 terms. 1, 2. See how we count from the how we count how many terms we have, right? You get from where the plus sign here, correct? Get the plus sign here, or the plus sign here, and the plus sign here. This another plus sign here. So you count should be 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Okay, because it's a power 5. Okay. If again the question say want you find only the first 4 terms, okay, you just work up to 1, 2, 3, 4. You work up to this term only, and the rest you just like plus and dot 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 like a first example. You may not need the last 2 terms at the back. So you work on the first 4 term and get it out. This is the answer for the first 4 term mean 1 minus 5b plus 10b squared minus 10b cubed. That's a final answer. If question say need the first 4 term, for example, like this. Okay, again, if say nothing, you have to expand all. Okay, that's a example with the negative sign. So if this one, if for example, if question give you both a, b is a negative, for example here, say if minus 1 minus b like this. In this case, you just like in the pattern of the formula in the plus sign, right? So you like minus 1 here, plus and minus b, and the whole thing, power 5. Okay, this is a b, okay? And then you just use formula. So a in this case equal to -1, b equal to -b, and then c equal to, n equal to 5. And then you replace in the formula again, that's all. And then you just calculate, simplify. Okay, so this in the pattern of with the negative sign. How about next one? I will give you some example about if talk about the with the fraction form. Okay, with the fraction. Maybe we go next example. Next page. For this case, if okay, if I give you maybe like this example, say expand this one, x plus 1 over x squared, x plus 1 over x squared power 5, for example, or power what? Power 7, maybe higher a little bit. Okay, again we use a I will write the formula one more time so you can compare. Okay, so a plus b power n equal to n c 0 a n minus 0 b power 0 plus n c 1 a n minus 1 b power 1 plus n c 2 a n minus 2 and b power 2 n c 3 a n minus 3 b power 3 and plus until the last term is n c n a n minus n b power n. Okay, now we start to do this example. This example, from there we have now n equal to 7, a equal to x now, b equal to 1 over x squared. Okay, now we do expand this one. For example, this question say because the power 7 you must do up to 8 term. For example, one expand up to the first, just say the first 5 term. Okay, do up to the first 5 term. Okay, expand up to the first 5 term. So in this case, we have now from this one gonna be equal, do this formula. So n is a 7, c 0, a is a x. So you have 7 minus 0 is a 7, correct? I don't need to write again, okay? So okay, like one more step. But if you know, you can skip. So this is a 7 minus 0, and then b is a 1 over x power 2 power 0 plus 7c1, then x gonna be 7 minus 1, and this one gonna be 1 over x power 2 power 1 plus 7c2 x power 7 minus 2, and then 1 over x power 2 power 2, 0, 1, 2. Next, 7c3, then x gonna be 7 minus 3, and then this gonna be 1 over x squared power 3 plus 7c4 x power 7 minus 4, then 1 over x squared power 4 plus, now because I need 5 terms, see we have 5 already, and not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then when you have 5 terms, right, it's enough. You just plus and dot, dot, dot. The rest you don't need to do. Now we do the rest. Then you just simplify. Okay. So then we do it. 7c0 is 1. Then time this is a x power 7, right? Time this one is a 1 because power 0 always 1. Plus 7c1 is a 7. Then this one time x 7 minus 1 we left power 6 time 1 over x power 2 because power 1, right? Plus this term, then you use a calculator. 7c2 is 21, so you have 21 x, this one 7 minus become 5, then time 1 over x power 4. Don't forget this one power 4. Okay, this important. Okay, this term have to be 1 over x power 4. Don't forget. Now next, again you use 7c3, use calculator. 7c3 gonna be 35, right? 35, and then x, this one x power 4 time, don't forget this one again. This one don't forget, what's gonna be 1 over x power 6, right? X power 6. Next, but if this one, if this one minus sign, don't forget, if minus sign, have to do like a last example. Power odd is a negative, power even is a plus. Don't forget the sign, because right now this question is a plus, right? So for the answer come out, every term going to be plus. But if this one is a minus, there will have some minus, some plus for each, for some term. So that's gonna be different on this one. Okay. So next one is what? 7c4 equal to, use calculator. 7c4 equal to 35. Equal to 35. So this one plus 35 x power 3 times 1 over x power 8 plus, and then dot, dot, dot. Don't forget this term again. Okay, they will different. Okay, don't forget, should be inside there. 4 power 4 become 8. Now next one, and then you simplify, become x power 7 plus, and this one cut, right? So you can 7x power 4 plus 21. This one cut, so you left x on the top. This one 35 x, this one cut, so become 1 time what? X power 2, right? And then this one 35, this one cut, become time 1 over x power 5. This one you can leave at this pattern, and not yet. This one have to be plus and dot, dot, dot. Okay, because we need only the first 5 terms. And then you can live at this pattern, or you rewrite become x power 7 plus 7 x power 4 plus 21x, or you can write like this 35 over x squared plus 35 over x power 5 and plus and dot dot dot. Again, if the question want you find the coefficient of the fifth term, if say question want you find the coefficients of the fifth term. So you count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth term gonna be this one. So you can answer this one gonna be equal to 35 over x power 5. But oh no, the coefficients, right? So sorry, this one should be you answer only because coefficients here. So you answer only the number, okay? Like this one, you answer only the number, so equal to 35. But if this is for example A, is a B. If question say find the fifth term of this, the fifth term of this expression, x plus 1 over x squared power 7 like this. You just answer what? Find the fifth term, so you answer the whole thing. You answer gonna be 35 over x power 5. But if coefficients, you answer only the number in front the unknown. In front the unknown. Okay. If there, for example, if they have negative sign, you have to carry negative sign also, okay, in the font. Depend what the answer you have. If negative sign, you have to carry for the final answer. If plus, doesn't matter because plus minus, I mean plus sign, you don't write it down, it's okay. It's a mathematics symbolic. But negative, you must write it down. Okay. So that's an example in the fraction. You have the fraction form. Now we go more example, I think, for the next example. This example, we're gonna use for example, if question want you find specific term, okay, we're gonna use this formula. The specific formula, specific term. The formula of specific term is TR plus 1 equal to NCR AN minus R BR. This is a formula of specific term. Okay, NCR A power N minus RB power N. I mean B power R, sorry. This is a specific term. For example, right? See, I will write the example, the question example on the board. Just underline this is a formula, okay? This is a formula, specific term. The example, see this one. Find the term in x squared. This one I will write the question on the board here. Maybe take a little bit time, okay? X squared and x power 5. In the expansion of one minus x over 2 power 12. Then Then find the coefficients. Then find the coefficient of x5 in the expansion of 3 plus 2x cubed times 1 minus x over 2 power 12. Okay, see this one. This example, we can use the specific term, specific formula on the top here. First, find the term in x squared and x5 in the expansion of this. So this is one question. Okay, this is one question. That means we have to expand this one, right? But this one, you see the index power 2, n power is equal, how to say, n equal to 12. So that means when you expand, you have to have total is 13 terms. Okay, then take a lot of time to expand like before. Example, we wrote it down, take a bit time to write. If they want you expand or whatever n they give. But in this case, they need only the term of x squared and the x power 5. So we use this formula. Okay, we use this formula. In this case, the formula n mean this one equal 12. R is unknown because we don't know x power 2 is the number of term, what the number of term is, and also with the x power 5 within the n equal to 12. So R is unknown. Okay, R is unknown. For in this case, we replace first. Okay, we replace first. Right now, you can see this. In this case, our A here is still equal to 1. Okay, and the B equal to what? Negative x over 2, same thing. Okay, and n equal to 12. So now from this formula, we write down, say T, we write down, replace the value we know first. Okay, so we have this one gonna be n is the 12, C are unknown first, A is 1, power 12 minus R, B is a minus x over 2, power R unknown, R unknown, this is R. Okay, so then because they need x power 2, right? So from here, you can see this is x term, right? X power R. So we need x power 2. So this R should be power 2, correct? From this case, see this? From this one, okay? We will know, we can know right away R should be what? This is R, okay? R have to be power, R have to equal to 2 because we need x power 2 here. So then from this case, we know R equal to 2. Then we replace R equal to 2 plus 1. That means this one equal to third term, yes. And then you replace this one become 12 C 3 and 1, 12 minus 3 minus x over 2 power 2. So then you simplify, right? Now, sorry. So you can simplify 12C2, use calculator. 12C2, oh sorry, it's 12C3. 12C3 equal to 220. This one equal to 220. Time, this is a 1C1, no matter what index is. And then this one power even, so come out to be plus sign, right? So we have x power 2 over 4, right? Then you can simplify to cut with the simplify 220 with this one gonna be what? 2 become 4. It's correct. It's gonna be 2 6 x power 2 here, x power 2 4. This one 6 or not? 12c. Oh, sorry, this one should be 12c2 because r is a 2. Here should be 12c2. So you use calculator 12c2. 12c2 becomes 66. So this one come along here. So it should be 66. So rewrite down here, it should be 66. And then simplify become 33 over 2x cube, sorry, x power 2. So when the term of x power 2, the first one, this is the answer of the term of x power 2, equal to this, equal to 33 over 2x power 2. Now we're gonna find x power 5, do the same way, okay? Do the same way. Do the same way, we're gonna have, right now this, like that. This one is, we find x power 2 here, okay? Now we're gonna find x power 5. So x power 5 from this one, we know same thing, correct? So this one should be r, we need r power 5, so this r should be 5, correct? R should be 5. That means when you want to find x power 5 from this one, r should be, in this case, r should be 5, right? 5 plus 1. So that means term 6, the sixth term. Get or not, we use the same idea with the x power 2. So now this one gonna be 12c5, okay? Because right now in this case we have r equal to 5. And then time 1. And then this one 12 minus 5. This one gonna be minus x over 2 power 5 because r equal to 5. We need to x power 5. So now this you simplify 12, use calculator one more time, 5c, sorry, it should be what, 12c5, 12c5 equal to 792. Okay, time 1c1, and then because this is an even index should come up with a negative sign, and then x power 5 over 2 power 5 gonna be 32. So you can become what, simplify 792 cut with 32, what we left, 8, we can do 8, right? So become 8 is what, 4, 8, this is a minus sign, gonna be 9, and 99, right? Become x power 5. Use 8 cut, 8, 4, 32, 8, 9, 72, so 9, 72. Yes, so we have 99 over 4, the negative x power 5. So we got it here for when find that in the term of x power 5 equal to this one. Okay, that means term 6 and x power 2 mean term 3. Okay, now we finish the first one. Then we do second one here. Then find the coefficient of x power 5 in the expand of this time this. So in this one, 1 minus x over 2 power 12, we already have here this, at least we got these two terms. But question want us to find the x power 5. To find the x power 5, this one, right? That means this two bracket time, we get only the term with the x power 5, x power 5. So I write down here 3 plus 2x power 3, right? Time 1 minus x over 2 power 12. You see that means we have 3 plus 2x power 3 here. And then that means you have to expand this one, right? But we don't need to expand up to n power 12. That means have 13 terms. We need only the term with the x power 5. But then we have these 2 terms. But in this we know this is a term 2. This one term 3, right? 33 over 2x power 2 is a term 3 here. We know the term 3. So the term 3(1), term 3(1), and term 3(2) here, we don't need it. Okay? But you can just say plus dot dot to this term, become 33 x power 2. This one 32 over 2 x power 2. Because if you have this one, the font here should be x power 1, correct? In front of this one. X power 1, this one x power 1. When x power 1 here, time the font bracket, like x power 1 times x power 3 become x power 4. We don't need it, correct? We need x power 5. And then x power 1 here, right? Time 3 become 3x power 1. We don't need it either. We need x power 5. So we can skip. But then 33 over 2 is the x power 2. So this term, this term, right? This term, when you time any, you can time with the first bracket here. If you time this one, x power 3 and this x power 2 become what? X power 5. So we need this one, correct? But this one time x power 33 over 2 x power 2, if time with 3 only, we get x power 2 only, so we don't need it. So we get this one time, this term only, time to x power 3, because we need x power 5. Everyone get? And then again, from this one, right? You can plus or minus, we don't know the next term, because it's a third term, we know this is a third term, correct? Fourth term, maybe x, fourth term should be x power 3, right? If this one x power 3, you see if x power 3, if you time this one become x power 6, we don't need it. And x power 3 times the first term here become x power 3. So this one we don't need it either. So if the x power 4 couldn't be either, because x power 4 times x power 3 become x power 7. And x power 4 here, if say this one x power 4, right? X power 4 time this one become 3x power 4. We don't need it. We need x power 5. So we just, from here, you just write dot, dot, dot. Everyone get what my point? So this one we don't need. So this one you just write it down here, say plus dot, dot, dot to this term only, to this one. Because, so you can write down, say this one minus 99 over 4 x power 5. Why we need this one? Because x power 5 time this term, time 3, we can get x power 5. This is a 4, okay? We can get x power 5, but this term time with the 2x power 3 become x power 8, so we don't need. So we use this one time the first term, and the yellow color here time with the 2x power 3. That's all we need. Okay, so because they need only x power 5. So in this case, the between term, the font term, and between term x power 2 to x power 5, we don't need it because we did not get the x power 5, which we needed this here. So from here, you can see if we work on the yellow color here first, that means 2x power 3 here time 33 over 2x become what? 2x power 3, right? Time 33 over 2x power 2, right? This is yellow, this 2 term time. And then next one, we use this term time 3. You can say In the middle term, we don't care, okay? But we just say this one time, this one gonna be what? Because this is a minus time, this one time 3 have to be minus sign, correct? So we have 3 times 99 over 4 x power 5. Okay, then you simplify only these two terms because we need only x power 5. So you sum it, simplify, sum or plus or minus this only the term with the x power 5 only. Okay, and then this one you can say plus dot 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 because this will have more like a because this one term 6, right? This one term 6, this one term 6, term 6. Next gonna term 7, term 8. We don't need because over now because we need x power 5 only. Everyone get? So now this one you simplify, correct? So to cut, we left this one cut become what? 33 x power 5. I like the same color about that. So this one to cut, so become 33 x power 5. And the green one gonna be minus 99 times 3 is 297. Become 297 over 4 x power 5. Then you simplify these two terms. So you have 33 times 4. We have 132, correct? X power 5 minus 297 x power 5 over 4. So what we left? Minus 297. So we left to be negative. So we have negative 165 x power 5 over 4. So final answer, this one. This is a final answer. For the coefficients, then find the coefficient of x power 5 in expansion of this. So they say they need coefficients, don't forget. Then instead you're going to answer the whole thing here, right? You answer, final answer, you answer only coefficients mean the number in front of unknown. So become minus 165 over 4. That's the final answer. This really final answer now. Okay, this is a final answer. If they say find the fifth term, find the term of x power 5, so you answer on the top here. But if question say find the coefficients, then you answer only the number in front of the variable x. So that's a way. Okay. So now I think this is the binomial theorem when you expand how to use the formula and the formula specific term, like this example. So you can take a look, review, watch again and again, watch for this video. And when you understand, please go back to do the assignment, which I will post in GC that what question you have to do. Okay, again, any questions, please ask me in the right group or individual is okay. Okay, I think that's all for this lesson. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.